This is Scott at Weeder's Digest, and I'm excited to introduce to you the last rake that you'll ever need, the Rake Zilla. This is the 3-in-1 tool. This tool will give you the ability to rake, skim, and collect everything on your lake shore. The Rake Zilla has 18 tines. They're 9 inches long. It's super light, and it's telescopic. So you'll get the length that you need with a rake that literally does everything that you would need to do on your lake shore. Use the Rake Zilla for raking and collecting at close range at the 5-foot length, or telescope it out to 7, or add the extension to provide 11 feet of reach. 11-foot Rake Zilla is perfect for those longer beach fronts, making sure again that you can rake, skim, and collect your entire waterfront. It comes with a 25-foot rope, allowing you to throw that rake even further out into your waterfront. With the float, this will give you the ability to better skim the top of the water. Perhaps you have more to skim or more to collect. With the rope, you'll be able to throw this out into the lakefront and bring in more weeds, more algae, more duckweed, cleaning your waterfront with the 3-in-1 Rake Zilla.